y'all, we are going to start with this beautiful loops and threads yarn. I have it kind of like in that Beetlejuice colorway is what I'm telling myself. I think it's super cute. It is a size 5 bulky yarn, but of course you can use any weight 5 yarn, a 6mm crochet hook, and I have a needle, stitch marker, and scissors on the side. But we are going to get this thing started with a magic ring, and inside that magic ring we are going to work 8 half double crochets inside that magic ring. Now what you're going to find here, this pattern is worked with half double crochets, and we are going to slip stitch to join at the end of each row, and then we're going to chain one. That chain one does not count as a stitch. So I want us to remember that going in for this pattern, and I'm going to speed things up and I'm going to show you round by round just a little example of how we do it. But this should be a quick and easy pattern for you to follow. And y'all, I'm telling you, this oversized bulky bucket, you didn't even know you needed it, but let me tell you, you need it. So here, right here, I'm slip stitching, and there goes that chain one. I add my stitch marker right here, and then that way I can keep account with my rounds. And we are going to start with round number 2. So for this round, we are going to do 2 half double crochets in each stitch around. And when we do 2 half double crochets around, we would end up with 16 half double crochets at the end of this round. So let's work those 2 half double crochets in each stitch around. And when you're put 2 in each stitch, it counts as our increase. So that's how we end up with those 18 stitches. Alright, so for this round, we are going to do 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, and then we're going to increase in the next stitch, which is 2 half double crochets in the next. So again, we are going to do 1 half double crochet and then 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. We are going to do that all the way around, and we will end up with 24 half double crochets at the end of this round. And do not forget that we always, at the end of each round, we're going to slip stitch in the first stitch and chain one. Alright, for this round, we are going to do 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. There goes 1 and 2, and increase in that third stitch, which is 2 half double crochets. Again, 1 half double crochet in that stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next, and 2 half double crochet in your third stitch. We are going to do that all the way around. And at the end of this round, we will have 32 half double crochets. For our next round, we are going to do half double crochet in the first 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3, and we are going to increase in that 4th stitch. So we're going to do that all the way around, 1 half double crochet in 3 stitches. That's the second here. 1 more half double crochet. Then we're going to put 2 half double crochets into that 4th stitch. So let's follow that pattern all the way around, doing 1 half double crochet in your next 3 stitches, and in the 4th stitch doing an increase, which is 2 half double crochets around. And at the end of that round, we will end up with 40 half double crochet stitches. For this round, we are going to do 1 half double crochet in the next 4 stitches. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are going to increase, which is 2 half double crochets in the 5th stitch. We're going to do that all the way around, with 1/2 double crochet in 4 stitches, and then in the 5th stitch we do that increase of 2 half double crochets in that 1 stitch. So when we do that all the way around, for this round we should have a total of 48 stitches. All right, y'all, this is going to be our last round of increase, and we are going to do 1/2 double crochet in the first 5 stitches, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and in that 6th stitch you're going to put an increase, which is 2 half double crochets in that 6th stitch. So again, just like before when we were doing our increases, but this time we're going to do 5 half double crochets in the next 5 stitches, just 1 a piece, and then we're going to increase and put 2 half double crochets in that 6th stitch. And when you do that all the way around, you are going to end up with 56 stitches, which this is our very last increase row, y'all. So for the total from here on out, while we're doing the actual bulk of the hat, which will be the like making it shape as a hat, we'll have 56 stitches around. All right, y'all, so this is how the base of our hat is look before we start building it up into hat form. And what you're going to do from here is you're going to put 1/2 double crochet in each stitch around. So you're going to do that from round for 8 rounds. And I'll put that up on the screen. For 8 rounds, we're going to make sure we slip stitch and chain 1 and go 1 single crochet in each stitch. Once we did that, this is how the hats will look. So this is all of our rounds completed, and as you can see right here, I'm showing y'all just how it builds up. So from here, I'm going to show y'all how we start on the brim of our hat, y'all. We are almost at the finish line. Yes, yes, yes. So from right here, we're going to go right back here to that where we chained up that 1 from slip stitching and chaining 1, and we're going to start on our brim. And what you're going to do is very, very simple. We're going to put 2 half double crochets in each stitch around. So for the brim, for the first part, you just go 2 half double crochets in each stitch around, and you do that for the duration of the hat. Don't forget to slip stitch and chain up 1, and I'll tell you how to fix the other parts of that brim. All right, so for the final rows of the brim, you're going to remember to slip stitch and chain up 1. And for 3 more rows, you're going to do just 1/2 double crochet in each stitch around. And you're going to do that for 3 rounds. And on your 4th round, you're going to slip stitch, chain up 1, and do 1 single crochet around the entire brim. I did not record the whole entire process of that because I felt like if I told you and then put the instructions on the screen, it would be a little easier than to record me crocheting that whole thing. But if you need any help with the brim, or if you need me to explain it a little better or show you, just hit me up in the comments below, and or you can email me, and then I have no problem helping you out. But y'all, we are finished with this hat, and I am going to show y'all right here as much as I can, just showing y'all, because I crochet sometimes from inside out, so that's why I have to flip it a lot when I'm showing, because that just makes it a little easier for me. But I'm just showing y'all how it looks here. And I think in this clip also, I'm showing y'all a little bit of how I crochet that 1 single crochet around the brim. I feel like adding that single crochet around the edge just gives it a nice cleaner look. And y'all, just remember too that Crochet should always be fun. I love quick, easy crochet. I feel like this hat right here is like a beautiful hat. The weather is changing. That bulky yarn gives you that nice warm feel, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know when y'all make these hats, y'all. Let me see it. Let me know if you're going to make this hat. And guess what? I'll see y'all in the next one. Enjoy some pictures at the end of this video.